Maluil tutaw, sulang kalan, kutrulo ng hotel te al bodosus raibadul maraklay ma rubugul belaw, pilong ma ibiraklay ma basil belaw. President Paules, marugul senators, maluil tuta senator talams. Direct speaker kanay marugul delegates mal tukubetsun tuta la gorga pa speaker Mario Gulibert ma direct delegate Gibbons, floor leader Umataro. No si ilo mungkin terlalu tutau. Kita direct mal recognize nususra cabinet ng artera terlalu tutau. Mungkin kita vice president Oilo, minister Metu, minister Olgari, minister Obia, direct special advisor Jenkins. Direct kuntel terlalu nususra bekal governors, bekal other Olbil, bekal Belu. Tukubet sel susu kita mau bekal adar belau lengar al sel belau mai krel belau rel al sils. Dirgal betuka proclamation mala al bolsana al tuta makmal mereng asura adar media lengar tia misung yama mis reklay mis rengi madirgal mis tulop madirgal adala health ma emergency services selo mungkin al tuta. Mau segi de tiamong mengerul week el kita sedang artiran artiran adar olbira galulau. Oh, senator telam seleng. Ukma sign another bill. Tiangal amo RPPL 12-6. Oh, makora dio urenge vice speaker wasebol every week the sign up bill. Oh, mo to kamral me. Di akor omes la history tialbila atila badra ulela la house February 21 2025. Oise mle introduce our first reading. Ese tila badra house mura senate April 8 2025. Meng detarrak lang senate. Magdamring asurada senat en malongil subil amal not mol subel meral sil sense adal sainari andi tianga mal simple la tianga gidam de semlani sel la al beda pasrir tiang nombre gal qaba al government 11th government el transfer LRO el mut el moragort dimla wal nani sel ngal sel apna asurada house luro mangela chief justice mesa sengari gel melengat sangat saya del gira del gutmok leng kadim le angakla amle transfer and dinga iger responsibility yang ngaral mle tiblo ngosong sa transfer timla ka transfer mela tiam la sum makli meng elal da signing mo sabel complete sel transfer meng hofla urere al mutun mo maklagit mo ungil so bakaltira adrabelu magada merenga sulel olbira galulaw senate ma house Tiala mal samarian mosani al tuta baik mo tel un tasuan mamo senat ang house makmu sesel giral tialbil oh habang i vice speaker
one tuta president ma
oh I'm sorry we don't need to pass
oh my oh abote un tuta president mergao ma vice president ng tiang ma ministers ma senator ma ara delegates ma other media Ibig nutu tamara betul marka bagi Lamdung aktio di atas Lamdung. Ini kan mal mereka sudah ada of course ada raport presiden man belum memlekan sistem tahu ini belum tidak ada olbira senat house kemudian sudah ada senat tidak mandungin misat yang dia kalau mereka wani lobang di akmal respect melo almay welil di tiang to improvements dila bring asulela president Paules leadership ni manung tiam senator lagi da senator komtera president senat ma jadi bring asulela senat ma os ala house bring asulela speaker ma committee house mus mungkin ma cosa official ka president man mereka pension kayu na motmok na mawin hopefully kamla utmok la yem dilung asem duk yem lamde ngara la mamut muselot sa le ragot mungin mara la yor am duk president so ya
Sula. Halo katian masa Senator Terlams mo boldo siya say.
Musula, Mr. President, ti amara long overdue la, emal kada sumariar witness ra mo signer ngi, ngayon dilong tiang am laring sila ang migat mukra 2011, ta sira ang three matal government, ne move ra urelela el arol mora under judiciary, bigger responsibility adimlak. Mela ti agida la album signer ngi ora dia segida lurior, el magatatal si justice o ngiteng. Adirek el taraungil direk el dongul mer madame Mr. President audio bureau alend survey adirek el taramal meu daurele melal bon ngari ti ayu ngara al mora el relela el arol mara suri en girin mo coordinate lo bangela bureau alend survey musabel mred el mutuga gel utm el morina housing by get claim ada mred el settlement krediol ngitra ungil cooperation atong lela gagi lobis bol sewer mere de lorete aureo mura galbe state trablur belang direl el time Mr. President ngani standing policy el bureau alend in survey while ask I got state el pay angara $26,000 through erable conduct survey magadolit mal sumay gigi agora ngari shortfall budget motobra a request me malagli gigi ama ule el oreg survey regal Pebira State. Musula, Mr. President.
Suna Senator Terlams gotrula kumrenga sulir tial bill. This was direct note tial bill even though le pasa Senator May 8 en elira aitasils e como le deliver mingil mera office. So actio aiso hace para de la office president order executive branch a maldita talsils. Akwadi scout siya gid regalo kasi mal patoka pending olbira kalulaw. Oy. Akti mas kawan al example. Kami dong sell coin. Mal di require a resolution da kapag sana ni. $1 million el mura NDVP help partir. Dire kal ngari ayagi dele revenue stream that will continue. ISP na umre ka urere na umre ka case but mlamo 1 year el mede rauloliu el 1 year el dinar NDP ra 1 million el 1 year el blamlu so sel revenue amne se collecting last year maybe $100,000 makti dulu to dili selling I think important dapat lagi el kamle bring up ay uk issue ra minister IMPII agumra lo se hada besate al mal answer
Musula, Mr. President.
Biam sula. President Eliam no sabedel join senators a meeting on seguida to. Kita for the longest time kada provide egal service. Hindi nga rin time kada no realize elwase. Arada me claim a clear. Egada helper till the free. El mol adjudicate a clear and to the certificate of title. El asel bolol trabajo igual claro. Me lo modo del mood del mo identify el the dulwasem boundary line certir. Kada mo subdivide igual class the split partial split marang. El presidente ahí habló de meses lo hace que él se ve del gukrada mo harao rabi el esa telgibrudo del girela y el service le quedam na help para adel mo corregir la clockil mail master o si el time state government tadi duru legal di free betul ngarinya state ang governor el ang may marada spend 3 months el subdivide housing e nya me be el governor en ul oiti ego meski da bes gira del telgib el sugum kada namo ay say Senator telam se do toda se seludo de tirgal ada kera areomel del buil edim oi taigelurior ya ngaringi ya record del sebe el siomang kada bai olingit el wasing al sebele telgibel ngosu tirgal ada maigal program rigid especially a siobail direct adal investor el me askaigang amol tuira a state malubet di wam el other belau misir seguida el are gida and apple momru ringi
hala dikshiranga tim dogla history adang atpang rege del survey by close to tlela maybe a process le adang atpang nam de ore mol survey a private property e local kong mo state subdivision nguk mo it se telmutur todo nom to survey another one at historical site nguk tegal se nguk mo it again mo lo amral toy the waste resources agirel ngania process and make sure that tiamra claro state make sure and clear historical and environmental issue around top the survey basically more waste so again mo lo senator amplo to tell we need to find the solution and the maybe before ABLS al top ngir the clearance lagal loot waste resource el dia gage Yadirigal doctor clearly say, assume como change allocation and change governor and give it pay back national government. I give it moral, it's a waste of resources. And moral now to subdivisions. Setting at pangal 3, finally to alas 3 lang, so hopefully see that ammonia apply. But I know was to state do the same thing. So
Mr. President.
I'm sure a minister of the mean, but someone see lot of the extra road on some. Maldega stover kami. Ngari sel, ala di kutiarte ala ko tulo ase mga sense ko marte ang bay malte elek. Ikamla bringa pra budget kidam ringa lo ase ngari sel imor abil ergid. El bled aska igel amendment el mora a budget. Maisi mga kamal dito ase al sel mere al sel ngaiget sa adrong walim. Lingmal betu kam close to telang arsel. Audit report tra 2023 kadam le askara and make sure sen lapsing mas el pertigal auditor mo sa tra 2024 kada diregal al madangel wase agagidale infrastructure maintenance fund just to give you an idea although damadel ideal se drospe le olbi le sel last el proposal I'm force again saying they got choice again and they also the close government. But really was saying require approval ra all bill ra every grant. Mela sel infrastructure maintenance fund al says. In December el mela that's the meeting tigling al says. A project pending el says or tau actually na toda I want to report ra jail was kami amal me odor tau taigal ludo dara a project. So you know we need to remove our own mobilet and say the Lord tau. So, de book mark. The update blue. Compact review advisory. I got blood discuss or we gada umbrella saying close to trend. Update asum na mongin and some update ligan. Di say ora dimle ongite sense ang artiang by man.
Mr. President, di solo ay sarak na siya sira makadong ra meeting ma House of Delegate ma Senate magam limit. Ne address ay gagidel. Sabel el 6% elite pisa bill.
I see.
Ma House amlo sabel maigelo 6% sel dimlani aku pebi rabachet ngilalo tu. Melang a Senate amli check tengira few days ago. Ma President la Senate amla form la conference committee. Dildum dia sebel ngadia meeting relang a chairman la conference committee ra House of Island maselu tenme mama muslim la do address kagi del issue mai galon team le understanding la Senate la sea e gagi the request ra get priority and moso is for segitil elite pisama diswa da obo mo ngaria udo ngari rela ra gal tudlol lai and that's why I'm level all sell me on team as Senate only deliver.
Tira malungilai se senator telam so se Senate sel legon bro deliver ma sel do so tira sel bill el gire la marine sanctuary sel mo improve ringil mal mongil seng asabel mre del to.
Mr. President, ako lang ngaria bebira information gora del kasuala la Senator Lodol Giren.
Man mongilan ok sel da seng mal blagan other Senator Odol Girela, you know, but at the end of the day, I got to require a compromise. Require a compromise. Malangari all the sweet other house, please let's get. I think I get little house, I think salo tingle, I think salo brother toy. Some of them, of course, will request together help para hospital, help para abla police, help para education. Kita mungkin sen nama sara lalu mengaria impact ra denging, udah kalau sudah offer dengira hospital, kalau sudah offer dengira. So, kalau sudah lagal bol enough lalu ambulance, you know, kita ngerti. Makti help kita, I think, hopefully sen berada so they like. But yes, a process I get a rejection, and then you compromise. But makti either say. Nggak ada kalau unreasonable, so neutral moment sini, etc.
Mr. President.
Okay, man bring asule man mle. Okay, hindi wala po sign. Maluwil press conference. Okay. 13th day of May. Tiamal pes el penakbal de gilo ra kasus el plan mesana. Sí, el cloa. No motivo cloa ya sayel. 12-6 komsula. Oy. De salwa klo la sayela pena Trump nding. Segal diga don artiga ba dogora oyen artigal legal tablo abo sain. So, got to rule and ngari tablo executive order by the sign. First executive order number 502. Kita mungkin nasi already ngari aureoral melasam update rabin di kau dulu Allah. Oh, hindi nga yung namin siya hindi ka ngari sa dulu krumula di ospe executive order. Especially sa luktungura igel aureoral office rasi IP rigida ma national government. So tial executive order. Oh, kada mira Allah hindi executive order ako ngari igel sa ma odup. Oh, so tigida 502 kung ate alum sa Ministry of Yang tia mo taskra ministry ringil el mo mrula building standard el gire legal project lorula national government el Ministry of Yang share sa
Ndam sulang president ulan dira club hulti al lorol doruringi yakam saul sebedel identify gel bebir area sertial lo mga maklela building code man sabi edel tutia audior kita mengira klula al metro di do mese loral mo nga batokal dire kal bloom adlol nga seurigid asoril make sure ang esol merigid investment til merigid o god rula structure ma facility ra blu ang aringi tilgi belol tirak ringi dia adil climate change Direct sorry la mesa egal investment til do all makatagal time el sur egal kuk interest rigid namo time el giredan maral kut makli ya agad marang sulem as executive order sa edelo tu auror egida kay seul mga mokr sel improvement ra klola
tara doruri sel dire ka make sure sel accessibility mura disable daragal pesel building ang aring sulang nung laksan berending ang saksan okay okay Sula. Elatial Buksani, Executive Order number 503. Tiamo establishes el Hospital Relocation Steering Committee. Gidam dayon sa selwal lurior tial hospital relocation am lamol. Sel me first committee wal korab nombre kaurerel elatriel designers ang artiang. So it's important for us to have a steering committee guide tira urerin. Mang tiang wal bol follow seguid el Executive Order number 461, Melatia 503. Committee mo comprised of Tedel el Toktang, one al pharmacist, tara nga public health, tara nga human resource, imol engineer, materul tirom tera uk tokora tourism, of course minister obiang ang wal ex officio lang ndekal vote nding girang ari direkal ngel special advisor represent health and human services mundiral serve ex officio ma chief of staff. So with that buksan tel executive order 503 iko SL planning commission. Sula. Ngarian mo telimur executive order. Oh, simply executive order number 501. Mlaria deadline so I had to sign it. CSL establish a national planning office, planning and development officer president. Ilangira ngaria gida create sel PDP, ma NDP, ma malbuto kay plan ngaria rule and we have to coordinate. So partara matukla urere and I had to sign it a few days ago. Lang parte sel requirement ri sel PBM, sel loan ri del ADB. Ne tara igel requirement ri del ut moklum. No se kat signing sera se Monday. Okay. They got proclamation. Akmesan yung rogoy. May EMS? EMS? Oh. Okay, sorry. Man to kablek sana nila lalwig. Nesokal de el dorsa rogoy. Okay, who subes? Okay. So first proclamation 26/4/27 Children's Mental Health Day. Mako ngitra Vice President mol skida kora summary seguid del proclamation.
Oy, ungil tutaw presidente, ungil tutaw mora tingala trol bir naglulaw marbekla rogoy. El alsil sel May 14 ang Children's Mental Health Day. Kita all along the oil focus attention gidar kora gidar maklol at gidala mental health. Hindi tiagid el sil sawal kora klol focus ringi amor magigrel at gide to guniar tirgal ngara ngalgedal ngara school. Mangarnya klol carnival el alsils el ngarngi ra eungel adit ra ay side. Tiang focus ra 4th graders mar 5th graders matangar sirel alsil se gardiregal malmare ang asulir ar senior citizens rigid el diregal mlo sabi irel motakal mo matadiregal wal wara o man tiri-tirigay del magigrel ngal school e celebrate tiagid el sils el swadal gok ngoy tiri-tirigal magigrel ngalged adra Palau lo se tirigay gid ya priority rigid tirigay ya future rigid swada bolungila healthier tier especially mentally ma physically of course e direct so alo spiritual te al le waseta bol maigel lungil tleta el ma activities remiu e boda dongro idrigidra to era makitel gar to era drax ma seguidi aswada future ang gel adrbela bola aknie di seguidi president sulang
Sula Vice President mase the celebratory el alsil el May 14. Selongero amle proclamation 26 that's 428 se Emergency Medical Services Week. Okay? Ese omur elal May 17 el mo 23. Modonitra Dil June. Mo skida.
Ali ngil tutaw sulang te ale Mr. President ngil tutaw Vice President Minister magidele senators delegate ministers so tial proclamation am sa del girela sel EMS week by 17 to 23 theme ringi improving outcomes together kada highlight there's importance sa communities sa medical professional recognize التركاجي EMS professionals kada highlight sel collaboration of interior public safety mar first responders or other fire 911 dispatchers emergency room mar ARF ngariya EMTs ngara ARF mar EMTs ngara ambulance tegi del EMS week ngariya sel tiaga they go by themes every year kada celebrate 30 so Sunday Health Wellness and Resilience Day which is May 17 kada mo recognize yourself the importance ra health ra EMTs ma self care and mortir ma our patients handle tir every day Monday Education Day importance ra gidale continuing education mortir gidale EMTs Tuesday EMS Safety Day, kada promote safety and highlight stress reduction and self-care, medical EMTs. Wednesday, EMS for Children's Day. Kada mneka sir children ang aring ako specialized care for tier, makada improve ay kikidal kuk equipment, mas specialized medical care, medical children's. Thursday, Save a Life Day. Mga gidib almula ko stop the bleed training public CPR more public Friday EMS recognition day gidib all appreciation day mortigay gidil first responders gid Saturday EMS remembrance day kada honor trigay gidil first responders during their duty they unfortunately lost them. So, the next week, morning the activities for highlighted for each day, and then specifically we have paramedic trainer while May conduct refresher training and EMTs trainers. Direct open and more potential trainers after that week, and then the paramedic recognize identify kwa sa tuat ang sa BL mo train ra EMTs kita mong sa mo sustainable tel program dim nagay Mr. President sulang
so dil June ang umda sa adiri kal silo this proclamation 26/429 which is next Wednesday EMSC day so tugubet sils sige mo sa adiri lo sa mo recognize para sel to pediatric so sulang nakadi dire kal dito ali se Ministry of Justice le planning sa sel EMS sa ligara tele fire and rescue rid amalos para upgrade womer tir marowin so maybe that's something that we can also work on together I was brought to my attention makwadi sharing let's spend money and fix it len helder tira klo to tira mungila benjor tir ma womer tir marowin sige udo dagat makli diregal ela ka bang rami dera say proclamation 26/430 which recognizes National Police Week so Minister of Justice Tambora the update rin.
Okay. Okay. So lang Mr. President, Ma'am Saurate, yes, you were able to sign off on a proclamation and designate May 10th and May 17 National Police Week. This is in recognition of all the fine men and women in blue, police officers, in the various different fields of policing. Rabulur Palau, the recognizer tir, al girela amring al lurio longot mokla, al girela mangaringel, maututela la Rabulur Palau. So again, Gora terms, it's synonymous with when you think about police officers and recognizing them, you think about and you want to thank them for their commitment, their dedication, their sacrifices, and often nga line of turitir, they place themselves in harm's way. Al girel mangaringel ma osab aklirar adrabalu ma kloklela balu. Mang el alwig ang maltukubet sel tungul lekli el recognizer tir mandiri kal wayar ay kal bekal alad ang ngulumu ulen launch offer sera a Sunday mlaringi walk for life al walkathon al lunch sera police week mang mlaringi batokal el police mar partners no sub ilmer erngula gilan sera police week mat and then throughout the week malmuter elang ang ngaring apek patingala activity which has included roadside campaign as we continue our collective unified fight against drugs and empowering people to say no to drugs. So ngaring roadside campaign el alsil set mga tmokra sel National Firearm Range el ngarangat pang ngaring overall el clean up facility clean up sra igal bekpadingela facilities sra blila police Thursday, which is tomorrow, and ngaringi a formation to be followed with the exchange laban three police ma chiefs, ma director, and myself to continue to try to improve our work and in moving forward. Dira kal ngaringi Family Day, and for the men in blue, men and women in blue, moringira a Marine Law Compound Rasaru Day. It's a family day where we're going to have barbecue and just exchange with families ra police. So acting talte ale dire presidente mal lo wisra bekal police material support staff and then tunguni trigal all the recognizer tire obeser tire who sacrifice just as much if not more than the actual police officers trigal families tire who have to make sacrifices because sa police sa oriol lo schedule pinatay matamo oroidra a family certirma akmo nga sule talte ale wish arbek kal police a happy police week.
Last week, nurses week advice. Police week, de cuate al clut el recognize was egal el albuil. It's been about the recognizes tira ora rasa bakla klangargida ma klangargida rabek el sils man momring asule our nurse mar our police of course our other EMS sel tira blagarndir el masabak de protected rabek el sils the last el book sharing el al mel Sunday no 2 weeks from now in Morisel Palau Development Economic Symposium. Tianga donoli ang legal schedule dara last year November or am na table delay. Maladik explainer a delay. We were waiting for trigger timergi dara a pension by SS el consultant el hire tira de ADB mo fully subia a pensional planner gidra say how do we make it sustainable both selva mang May 25 and 28 tiram na mo ready may present so sell whole weekend gagarus activity in this sell first day sell 25th and mori sell da sing Tank. So two things, Magit workshop and Shark Tank. Ukla Olongorania MAIF. So that's going to be for the first day, May 25th. And then on May 26th, say one whole day. Ngari amla idea kasi kadam sadra pension e sadra SS. Amla idea kasi no aigal tablo tuwa am sadra retirees. Idea kasi kadam sadra SS in isolation am sadra pension in isolation. Gira الغاغروس gira lo dak am sadra leng mosamokra imong gira mosamokra sel imong. Mang motalsil se kad invite of course our other olvi our leadership raigal pek blue mar adra blue. Especially retirees. Man bagi kare adaling dirgal so that make sure are retirees ade kadil galitel wa alkale de bola kar kale ar ngaligef. Oy sige da it has to be a balance and everybody has to come share input, listen to the report, and then following day yamuri atul sessions first sel tuta kada mamsadra ayeluk challenges gidra PPUC. How do we address them? How do we continue to improve our PPUC, providing better service and ultimate goal is to tau. Sel afternoon, en wal gora sum up paigel niya amle discussion or first era SS ma pension. Gora otro clear path el bodogi ungi. Mesel final day sel wal full symposium et me present paigel findings. Ese whole day event among Moria a presentation or of course a blue economy like the Masadara said Shark Tank Masadara fishing food security team the Masadara blue economy sales it's the Masadara PUC but most importantly the Masadara pension SS and the other thing will update the sell current economic outlook again and I think sell said dulia say our economy is growing, continues to grow. The naregel threats niya adomesel more burden a government that we need to address. Of course, one debt we're trying to restructure, bring down our debt. But tara tol al bangleda SS ma pension. And how do we ensure that those programs are more important than other blue? Amal mol MCC is back into the future. So, akmalon itra participation or other olvil. I know we've had preliminary meetings, but it's going to take all of us. The initiative bergida rogul. Bring us to the Senate and la pasar alla. Mr. La will proposing a Senate, bla analyzing it ala listed, and they have ideas of how to solve the problem together. But I think it requires all of us understanding other blue. This year, I'm not going to close to tell. I get rogul toy. Are we going to require sacrifices? Maybe in area. Sacrifice it, maybe have to give a little more, or they have to work a little bit longer. But all of us must participate to make sure that the plan MCC going forward. Of course, several incentive I get $26 million biskida Miguel was te los peri el help para pension conmigo ningirulle a sustainable plan niya amral garantido sa pension naman mo. So well al mga mata or arbek al adra ablur belaw el base bersel symposium se morira amayong why say chief morira amayong ara statra 25 sel Shark Tank ma sel youth activity 26 of course ayel pension ma SS Nutra 27 is el final 28 ma PUC Oman Msula. Potesse te al press conference dolute al sum somil che en c'era question mortir ada se deve excuse adro olbil en area commitment tertire.
La press conference la presidente.
De press conference ergir. Ya bai mo wil magi bai mo welcome adro olbil mera igam en area update ra olbil ka lula mo sil ciel. Sula. Okay, sula vai speak. Sula. hindi ako vertil mo. Olgoril, hindi ako mo vertil bita. Senador Olbim le joiner gide qadam la excuse tir material togol le help gide regal proclamation dolmol ma press conference pues que mate al mo subese mal no comal mo guerra gel donc important el guerra el alto tam hada sula
Malungil to tao Presidente di coral follow up ra igal to ra kung na-mention na igal coston mo ra surveying daw nila kel mo ra Minister of Yang ngaring iya ko ra settle fees malubeng ko ra regulations sa sige fees el OPE alubeng dang ko ra di nga ra something else LD Bureau of Survey, Land and Survey, at itil set of fees la say omega marang. Tira try to clarify la say a private landowners al selegol sorry subdivide daigal atamir seng field service provide government al time alubang area field pairing kora base al datu en wal free loruring government clarification.
Yap sulang ele kita ngaringa feel le tu iringira klamalela time el merelang ndi ngaringa adire galuldas ne improve our regulation rigid ma dire gal improvements en moragel fees makardir ka o mesa gigid el fees di umsin del private sector sel lamay en sorry ramre de lurior sel bolo ay sing tamo askara adamamel sabirit remula urelira tut moklay gel survey tiras arwa weekend malubet to level mora after work 1 hour before sunset tuwara soril maximize ay gero all time sa maman mile mastery ramre adal time sel bolo ay sing ngaringa feel lapay ngaringa do spell do the charger tira sira alomo la BLS el merela o ngerungen sira sira last el sira botot mo president ng la del administration a directora BLS maradala lilutel mo mesaigal fees gadam neul tuir selwa sea ngaringa restalat el direcal dahil sabil afford ay gel fees al sum kada mo omat mokla el more edak clear tangaringa mel malwa sa gi malore da al sabil kat mokla iga makadam no telgibel adjust ay gel lureol mora di individual adma family selwase kada mo malas mal mga mokr sel temela 8 hours raudor mandia ka ngaral po ta charge ngil mora di adal mail willing al pair selfie mergongi wase ngidi mor de audor we'll also try to work with them
So there is a fee
I see.
for that. Kung di na kan mention kasi dahil example ng president tamod survera lahat find out na real kasi tiyang historical site ay kal information dakal already nga system ra BLS sabihin mesa plata special zoom na to da city ni el dakal sabihin mesa madinga city nga nga abe bula lubang girin mo mga tutura palaris balubang other office to accommodate that ay dakal tell information dahil available al sila ay kal system rapi.
Diakal saldadul wasing aigero will historical site will appear akuk system ramam rabiales. Kamama blol sel gibomorula udor. You realize sel certificate of title loba. By direkal kiren mongar alira our owners regal property. El mo make sure en dia kawai gigit historical site mga rasel. Raw era the proceed aurora gida material mo. Maria sabi del kain seura igay endi kardire kal gire del kain seul make sure ay kalklalo adia ka historical site ang ngararingi talmalela environmental alsel raw era albela askara adamamal mo kamama dia kangaral agidi albebi agidi mo identify relocate aligid mo kargi kraw relocate degim relocate tel ngodi sakay agi relocate ringel sakay mildalam ang mo mereka korte to the certificate malu bagi mora agi partial split utom
Ulilay.
Ngito tao, ketika mara Vice President, Direkal Minister Health, mal to ka misinformation maral gilt legal drug tal kami bears. So I think ang mal as I clarify was ang ngaring other ngara hospital ni overdose or ngaram happen.
Malungil to tao yes tilal gera komandangel was en direkal marar amidiar elang so medo spiritual te alle da kora makataklim bol makatakal mora adrablu couple of weeks ago engi director hospital Claret Matlab amle masgide o ay srigidal was ngaringi adrablu mle overdose matamla mora ER emergency room receive a treatment to receive a treatment emro tamlo matangel waseng tamlo get tested emro lo sabilo matigol was tirgamle overdose ray gidal kami bears ngarnya marijuana ringi ay gerro will test el blam mokor hospital ao til was ay tirgay gidal tiramle overdose amle overdose ra kami ver ngarnya marijuana diakal ngot illegal drugs diakal med mal ubeng ra hindi marijuana ya markong el aige ngaway salwaseng aige digirel take time al tua badrabatangel at selabo di ituti ay biraat a patient marko mang mala IV over time ang ya discharge ay gal ngaral sila system selabo lag yung lamom sisi at adi of course adi low ay sir nga was tirgel ko korangan niya a serious problem rahel der til why ko heart problem mga ra asabi ilmo tilgibel ilmo serious their life can be at risk hindi so far tirgel rogo im lame ablal discharge tir al dim lesay gidal di drain ay gal ngara system tir marko momrek now direct swakal low ay was ngarnya imol gegrel ngal al direct so far dim le imol gegrel ngal ka direct le mera ER mat direct really OCC ul morngi emiltigel was direct amle kan suma kami ber direct miltigel sa igid OCC ul ngarnya marijuana ringi may gigi dia report ra hospital blame seral kot megim ebal detect was en way sa igid gimle refer til moraguk Ministry of Justice ma Ministry of Justice awuk marur ay gel investigation ng maurerel maguk sa bela minister guk mo o ay sa igay gidulurior lungat mokle di as a kuktiyom tera Ministry of Health and Human Services di ay sa walangit al moradra blue wasing dolingit tamlakal al kurasier igay gidal kami ber semal ube lakal guktil willingly gukal lolay rarngot alade boda tukoradi klakar eta gargikal girel sa igid while ang maraya laurior el girel wasit yang source ngi makarama adang so
la sa lo sa tiang ngil learning ngilom swabul merigit kada blol am klat kan gado wasi ali sumane melam open ngarak mungere make sure hindi ka muli maringil kita ka nangilak kung anak lor al sila. It's the same issue. Mengira del reminder ang lagi doon siya. Sum tiada ka di mo ka pena pagay sila ka mo ngari. These are important lessons that we need to learn. Hindi kalkon tiada sa Minister Justice mo di update the investigation. Sula.
Masauli, Mr. President, come Vice President and Minister of Health. So, igay the referral, I'll mention Vice President, amnirabla buli sa mga, I got two separate incidents, just to be clear. Cell 1 incident that involve multiple persons, almura ER, say longot mo karingil criminal case, earliest in this afternoon, latest in tomorrow morning, and transmitted to the Office of the Attorney General for review and possible filing for prosecution. Nga rin yan laal, sabi emal mutaw taringi, al sugo maka-distribute waigay dal teletal, whether in gummies or other items laced with substances. Sige dal kuk tara incidental mention rin niya Vice President and involved Rangel minor mang direkal kim la start the investigation rin this wakal makataklil was in both incidents sa la mga dadura ospital mala toxicology results and diakal methamphetamine ice ang THC el substance ra marijuana ay gagi datatangel na mura ER aktirekal milsang sel na mo viral mandiya ka do makpayot ringi anding suadalo to the facts and was say ay gagi the cases that did go to the ER toxicology results o all tal wasing THC diakal methamphetamine ice adirekal kuradiswa kal essay dal case involve a minor mang under investigation preliminary information al giblam ngay awasen dimla kalangay ra school campus direkal so kan maktaklisel and direkal nga legal vevira a post mga ring upload sa background ra parents man adra school again hindi ako daw makpayot ringi may kaya blal do nga president kada direkal unfortunately we live in a world where ang giredal lumaklat ka ng algedal wasen di ako dim mola ngidililum langkal narang maktilmut the reiterator say din siya kal stress was say gid incident access ringel minor north tagi dal gami adim lakal nga school campus another place under investigation so dimle so kal maktaklay gid dal two separate incidents we will put out a written statement kung kuraman na mo viral cell concern.
Nadik follow up sa question Minister aigal kami laced with THC America ito as edibles iga kora recreational drugs in some places illegal question I was say I guess elemerbelaw in still illegal maluwing illegal angkel adal niya marose or distribute them sabihin mo tao self trafficking
So lele ang kita matingel wase Amerika lang nga baby na jurisdiction sa ringi na legalize ra use ra marijuana both as a medication and as recreational use kita dira abelawa adirga kalboni nga ulal el wat telamrigel so as we sit here mukul among korowingin mukula mo bang mukula mo spe ringin mukula distribute ringin mukula mo tra ringin so yes nga ring provisions sa udal sab edel lotutaklaan el lace or alter a food item for consumption alteringi lo ba nga any illegal substance nga ring udal sab edel lotutaklaan ringi so for these two incidents we are investigating it as a criminal offense and we will prosecute them al sumusib edel provide ro tilang tingin
Kora dimret Mr. President elang koram latu tiangin. Of course we are in our trying times as we speak. Moving forward ang makarasab edan mugut maklim ang katamo karkikal di halutal happen na way tiay del omrusel kamis. Ang katokora wonder wase aigang milgarame sois ma distribution of it mang kora dimle so sulang.
Yeah, malungil kere. I think kida mlames rasa. For example, amethamel ogia liquid form ogia bekkel badangela tretal mesoisur vela. Odrigan me ase tospea vape o to amethral sel. So we already know that. Elang guduk mara marijuana. And tel marijuana edam de ase ratna. There's strains el mutim cc. Certi chias il rulin mum cc. And this is the problem that we have with these gummies el mlames oisur acha blur vela. So of course en kadamla almutin increase our other airport, X-ray machines, bilis, I think the next thing, it's a new one. Namorya del diral cheka kyande mangara lola parada meso is vega issues that we have to deal with.
The nganya rebirar smell el makita aliwir tam nganya clinic al laborangi etta dispensa igay del gamis longro latrin mom iway egitan larong siya Minister of Justice wa se gamgul di kamtang tiagi the THC tom kodong il cannabis makoradim le swa kal share le sugumang away sing agire del mo kargik le sugum ta dispensa ngi ara the private clinic and of course ang kada di mangeta karu tamar ngalgetal mol maim dia kato ngi makoradim le swa kal razor say gidel tarak concern sulang.
Yeah, so el time al ulbela marijuana THC is illegal. Al summa de it's illegal. The al sumarado ospel Karen, I guess it's still illegal at this time. Ngira del omes rala and why say barang arang alga dal reso sega grula tama dalagal los per mi vayu diaglo dengan kapos se tekyande, you know, so it's something that we have to address. Tablar tirado al bil na niged murtiga sa kama amisgal algireltian. Or thing ari ala wasing illegal. Siya by cloud to trade. If you're doing it, stop illegal. Siya mo tutakal giran. Sulang.
So the askara Minister Justice will clarify. THC illegal, CBD illegal as a medicinal product tribelaw. CBD ma THC two different components ram.
So, ngira dalo mesaykel luksel dom kodalo sing schedules el types of drugs el waseng nga listed el under ay the schedules sa ulbelaw el waseng legal or illegal. As far as I know, in India ka provisioner segi dalla el list mul wasay tiagi del CBD tiang legal el lawangel ang arang klel kal el disperseringira a hospital for now. If it lists it as an illegal substance, and it's an illegal substance. So I just want to add on to what the President was saying about el kara iwaiwa. A legal framework mo understand it's illegal. I use the THC, marijuana in any form, and that's how we will operate. We will respond to any reports or incidents involving them and treat as an illegal substance under the law. Aigel kay the Minister of Health ng atem da asabil guk mo address ay gidul guk tokora assume it's being dispersed as medicine. But I wanted to be clear was say I will enforce the law as it is now.
Kada did help para discussion el time ngari morphine da hospital alto tia se mortraring illegal oxycodone tramadol I guess scheduled drugs and diga dos pelam gararab so I don't know what's a CBD mursegi del category. The right now our understanding adiak the culture the category mangira del ramesarala and make sure Radam dengil wase a minister or tau tralla el base ralla ngani al time. Digi dam denga se ngaria tiregal toktang al mlamo tutak I think wajin el gire legal distribution legal opioids. So leng even though in cedros prescription el amgararab but ndigal gire del di bros. So
Medic, anong malungil point sa lulungan niya presidenta, so why say, la will list ay el magul as a standard. Hindi why say, in cell action, our hospital authorized lotto ng aral kalom karasmer. Nga activities, may actions outside the Segidal authority that are illegal, constitute a trafficking or misuse or abuse. So, Allah set up that way. So, like for example, Isabella doctor so-and-so, el mulus a prescription ra morphine, el morasme ringi. Nding alsukum manggukngod al-ad, el nga niya access ringi morsel morphine, ra hospital, angu lobal, loltra ringi, then that's illegal. So, good point that the President made them so clarifying.
Maluin tutaw. Talaga rin mga President. Laring yata el China Pacific Regional Energy and Transports Ministers Meeting and laring yata Papua New Guinea. Ya, atara close discussion im laring sa meeting am sa energy, renewable energy, may galways at sa el help probably gal fuel cost. Magari akmos ngara actions el Palau. It's el help address gal fuel cost ma gal renewable transport.
Sulang no degal segal attend el meeting el manera PNG ambassador yidra ambassador tangal bat marar amno selom ter bela el mong mamle deliver a statement yid tedrigam le negotiator sel uk what statement say kida dodangalil toya se kida we're not only vulnerable because of climate change kedirigal vulnerable leng sel ngaria makamata ngaria ngarang dikul masara laklalo mangaraleng kados pa alu mang sel do sadra tokora energy independence and close to 12 million. So one of course I get a declaration saying we have to move toward 100% renewable. Bela has started on this path. Igidam dengel was tara klol mondara ablur bela of course still an argument tara Senate especially masaya tial solar ngarira ngatpang tiamakit tiamgram mamgram di we know was for example el time as el solar is producing a costra solar per kilowatt is 1/3 ra costra a diesel only 1/3 so that's 70% less. So what I'm was saying, for our energy security, energy independence, stability ra costara, ayga ngira dan rail badulse. Ngada mrenga sulela Blue Australia because one of the problems is that lily cell solar ma design en cell producing solar en la cárcel se de los peri. Mlaria study mirror sera 2015 2016 temne predict was our spela dengira blue bela mral morba. Well, dimlakat san maran morbab, the tribal wall flat line, mlori excess. So one of the things that had to be addressed the curtailment. So kada malangal tangat Australia through a grant, anam skida batteril basically mo capture igel extra solar the provide man siya el provide at the same cost. Diregal el ADB, gida mga sa ADB amne introduce a home solar adra chaiga introduce other solar nga ablur belaw. So now they provided batteries el diregal mora aigal dengibu el capture aigal additional energy that we produce through solar. And that would push us belaw closer to 30%. Through this whole process we've been working with Aigal gagros el blue long say orgid say we need to have a plan. How do we go forward and how do we get to 100%? Already studies show right now, lo say 70% are more feasible. Namos other producer 70% are at a reasonable rate. I mean, companies are out there staying with battery. They can do it for 20 cents. Get 14 cents, basically we're keeping it at 14 cents. But some said we can do it for less, and maybe even at 14 cents. So I think the next step, first we need to look at the next step, how do we roll out? So one of the things that we're doing at PIF, commitment to get 100% renewable, part of the invited investors and potential, how can we go to the next level? Can we go to 60%? Can we go to 70%? And eventually reaches our target 80%. That's the ultimate goal. One of the projects that PIF, Ablura Taiwan is going to be sending a hydrogen plant here. One of the reasons why they're sending a hydrogen, solar produces hydrogen. Why is hydrogen important? One of the fuels in the future, hydrogen. And so how can we produce hydrogen? So say already process of Australia, and eventually actually producing runs on hydrogen. But in order to pick up a fuel cell. So we have to come up with a feasible solution to produce hydrogen. So eventually, hydrogen by in reverse. They say a fuel produce hydrogen refuel. So that's kind of the overall perspective that we want to move toward. We have to eventually start thinking about we need to go to hybrids and then move to EVs. The situational, cell dependent alu mal PUC so expect that's why I know loss cell cost that PUC is paying now for diesel is more than 2 times higher than the cost of solar. That's just the reality that we face. So tarawulang girin brother pasara budget sa PUC sa self flexibility kita out of the subsidy help para. But the best solution is transition. So sulang agir.
Direct in discussion and national meeting masada maritime transport, gender-based equality and maritime transport. Maritime transport ado dangali luweri arsal. Sel meeting wal blal focus encouraging women to join in maritime transport and helping. Magaring akmus ngara the swim or ngara encouragement el momster tirar rather Palau el subari lalangasara maritime transport ang sir tiral sa alam kada madayay munta dital sa ala subari mo lagal lurier kami mer direct kat sabay.
Humda say give the other bela mal dega a prohibition el gira ardil el ngara igal to kita bay mal encourage alak alwi de sele marine Micronesia Voicing Society tirigele to kom lamo sailors el lamo se ab to tirar dil vai se misung yama even maria race air dil oi. But the Dunguna Ministry of Justice, one of the things that we see is in marine law, Naval Academy at Taiwan, so I think Sel Dungur Tiral Toga Bella Mal open and ready to accommodate and encourage them. In fact, you're right when it comes to captains relang ida arbin el mamoklolav ngaringel Hobson Nge captain ay gal maklol dela Matson. Ingani arwa Mays Toktang ma Kenneth el ngara training. Di you're right. Sel uktungura captain ang diri Albania radil. So the field is there. Ngari ateal. And it's just a matter of entering those professions. Ali ardila already the majority il judge Toktang tera director. Tumu majority il minister, president. Yeah, I mean that's and we need to encourage that. Sula. Ti da media di rogui.
Sorry. Akmil sa kapira request for proposal el maral kora interested wasi selbi da mo repair improve ra mayong cultural center. Question na kasi seng under a private maluwing NGO Silbelau, and they rent it out. Ngara makabalmenta fund improvement ring repair.
So, ida utsigira abasiol bod holder tial maral mail al meeting ra PIF Pacific Island Forum. Mayong aulog da moringi adiakadil el tial klel el cultural center our leadership rebel Pacific amo surrounded ra history lo giwaigel art form mangaral ngaringira mayo ayge akora so del direct display el morabul adlo ultra telkib el kora traditional git ma direct el wase kada kandak ta mitlinge dara git el wal kora telkib el showcase history git other facility maigel art form nga alsel o ngerung direct kada bedengel wase tiang ablo ngaringi a meeting ara arma silbela ringi maptol maktol meeting to spering ara ngaringa te alre ang alguk belura sa leader belura Taiwan asabili mo sugid el telgibel el improve ra al sel maigel mang te al sabe del rulil dal dil bora pif sabe el direct mo malmol mal host in good condition igel guk maral mail whether in conference or silbela malumem bibira maklo conference el bolo spering el venue igal meeting
ya al quradi shiragot rule amayong arala al raga mo 22 years sira boldor mga diri gal gida recognize ra sigam nga sura silbela matmokri tekerin meral alta agumral wase sel uktungura tokora a convention center malobeng meeting facilities abela close to trela ngari awil meeting facilities rile teatara te al tokol conference el hostra blur velo so upgrading resurfacing it so it can continue to serve gidar other bela o mayer te al conference el bela awil tokoy akpane rasem blo ngari argument say amal expensive amayong wal ngakasana tokol pio edire kolamba say maigal tokol meeting venue al sera plural dire gal di expensive leng ngari aigal tokol restaurant the mangaral bori so the bottom line if you want a facility maintained and taken care of ingredient charge so mela kada spare sale excuse munda kada maklak lal mawil di watial gym rigid o ngari ada dire complain sa pino singara mon charge well they have to maintain and they have to take care of it mun se spare ang aiga gadangal ta traigal granted may osugid in order for us to continue to maintain ospe munsedro ospe gidar other bela rogui that's what we're doing so Maria of course en eso gadam renga sur tegal se leader on se orgid of course ablo Taiwan on se orgid sel renovation e tira mil gadarur mal sorera upgrade them of first class el venue that we can host multiple conventions a year. One of the things that I noticed at Fiji, tiriga nga, basically tiriga rogul, beef, all kinds of meetings at nga Fiji that wila facilities ra venue ra meeting. We need to do the same, Rebelo. There's the opportunity in the North Pacific. That means FSM, Marshals, and Mubdula, Kiribati, Manauru. Adi Bela can do this. Maklol potential, and this is something that we need to really improve. So, madayo lang siyang area, tiya, matatal debate wa siya, tiya masil bela, tiyang NGO, tiya well, nga consider wa siya masil bela, part tiyal, government trigid, mabalur bela, diwa, arubukul bela, it's our traditional leaders, we're working together, al help ra abaluad. So, anyway, Sula.
Mr. President, tigari galmara, Minister Justice Olgari. Minister ko tamtingan wasen ko radigal lo adir gamra la investigation ending also MLD clarify wasen mlaring yak tablol past sel kong package and mlara DHL ma sel kong mlaring ya pasta post office if you can just confirm and like you on always in all ngani investigation kwa di swadel bol blakatak malaka talo adal aisen marano sulang.
So le chene di sokal point out to kung di nga rurura mo sa saludong ang lista trasusal texter nga kalmala info. Akti omu di oling italwa the kanlia process investigation amral kada continued protector cell investigative process malamal tirar ad. Nding sabi kal confirm waseng last week. Within last week, one either Monday or Tuesday, Mawan and Friday, ang two separate incidents where one involve a package and nura DHL, Mawan involve a package and nura post office. Ay gang no sab ira that specifically through our K9 program. Partnership with the Labuli sa Lobangela Customs and Border Protection, and no sab edel detect, and no sab edel el seize, and no sab edel make arrest. So, guys, just this morning during cabinet meeting, I sign off. I get 2 cases. I'll transmit. I'll more Officer Attorney General. I'll bol review. Odore at the file. So, hindi na kasi makaluay. So, collectively, I get tulgay sa motmag, interestingly enough, ang 333.33 grams of methamphetamine ice was seized. I'll get collective al tablol gaysa. So, I get gida sa bedal, lot of the ilang, kada continue support each other a process. Sabi ilo ay say and then as kami when things are filed sell file obisra AG unless ang nga order seal and sabi pick up gagidal in for a court mula mo sa LL public knowledge, but for now I can confirm yes those things.
The quick follow-up on that, the Minister. And I'm sure this will not affect your ongoing investigation. I can go the random with a K9, or were there like an intel that received? Is it a regular thing for you, the K9 and Mora Post Office or the HL to check the incoming mail?
Yes, absolutely. Measures are in place. Regularly, K9 K9 Customs working together, and incoming flights, post office, container ng seaport. So already measures in place. The put trial strengthen sa baakla border illegal drugs, other contraband cross borders. And then for these 2 particular cases, and so aside from the regular K9 measures, and already Arborisma customs that involve profiling and intel. So, you know, igay sa will share on that.
Sulang ra Ministra Justice di ma credit rogo hindi alle tira kuma tigi beltame ka kuma credit liram sa customs. Le. Dengan ka Ministra Finance mo pleso ka kung sese. Hindi actually selling one of the things that I want to say was sera lomo ng gelbesel acting director customs Jolin and manla improve sel cooperation between both BPS ma customs. And I think sigida gida highlighting it really takes a team. Whether it's surveillance, it's X-ray machines, it's dogs. I got rogo motmage awulan sa del achiever tagi del goal. Diso kal kuna sengari am lamadung ra outside rablur bela lo se degal priority drax al se lablur bela. Well, I'm sorry, that's not a true fact. Not true. Minister is doing all she can. Why get promising you? I say I'm coming after you. So, kadamri nga sudah other always passer cell drug law uk girer other law enforcement ang sa government girer la drugs which we signed last week. Kada celebrate the police week we celebrate the efforts that are being done. But also, you know, ndrigam nomrexel first major trial girer la drugs last week. I'm not told the cell verdict ngania a guilty verdict. We can see progress. So police week madilungi congratulate our police maurerir. Let's continue to support them. When they do something good, let's support them. Wala ka dito tira kalbus ma tokol dok murtira sa kami. You're doing a great job. So lang.
So President Aladik follow up pertain le kailangan de kuram le taslo sekal battery Australia mera entre April megal battery and when can we start to see them in use?
Battery mlame so sel projected schedule by August ng operational. So hopefully say on target. One of the demonstrations I say by PIF il demonstrate sing order te apartra tour, you know. That's the opportunity that we have. Sell the host the conference. Everybody wants to show the partnership, the success. So, milsa incentive Australia lo say last year kasi tegi lo di tiaman maring. And then ang nonia chairmanship rapif ma hosting Palau ang ari Augustori deadline chief mato say we have to get it done. So, kadamra sula Dios mayulukte allan bergi that's one of the side benefits. So, sula.
President, tiagora sensitive issue di agundas it needs to be addressed. And I hold these kind of issues very dear to my heart. Ngaringi ardil loader a national government. Emily resigned because she was sexually harassed. Mangora di suakal logi tiang say maybe send the message and more are other loader government tiakal til my private sector say ar saal malmo engalakal merut ar dil doing work hours togora madakte marul metwal can if you can share through this leng akumdasen close to talela malakal ko ramo feel wase man ngania adel mla resign just because of this. Msulang.
We they can tolerate any kind of harassment period. Mang Maria del Mutelte ale mral alsuma other era resign please report. Doctor report. We need to stop this kind of activity and it takes all of us. And it's our job gira del masabak frangal victim. Mang gagita minister ng atende ko sengara le notify rin di kampura di edro sengara lamaltira employee.
Jak ngania full kal lamaltela ngi dil employee el me file a complaint tra officer ng mamra agidele public service system either more director or directly to me. As far as I know ndriga complaint el merngak. So maybe anonymous lindra kang isel anonymous number kang man si il gol o ay mo ngara complaint rin gi address rin. makpayon ngit terjen director gilme magim motor nga kama Minister of Justice will figure out what happened. Agim hold the people accountable for their actions.
I will definitely make ask ngi magipay akal mangi leko gim alubabli la police.
The members of that jointly address it.
Sulang.
Sulang.
إدريهم نانيسل نرى ويب سايت الجيب لام launching سلا أنا مثل هذا الديمون مسكيدا information. So sometimes they don't feel comfortable sharing, but نسيلو نرى other side أجي ديمو investigate. So please feel free. Anybody can report. الشوم ترى هذا نهار أوبيس مثال وسنجي كده السالة وكمان لما يمثل harassment المورنجير دي لدغل report ما تطقلي. It's not acceptable. People should be giri lowrer comfortable lowrer dega masangartir. So sulang al share ngadu telt opportunity help al educator adrabal. So
the last question it's been a while since Sertel Typhoon Sinlakul Mlihitra Saibal Machuk and I don't know if Mr. or Mlaranga Sura government rebella or Goramotov the Moragal Balu just to help with the recovery.
as of this point usually sel waise tira malgol mes to spera adal helper tira dengi mangaran that has not happened di ngel gimara stai to el consul general gidan ngara aqwam gedire galongora saibal amlamora saibal moral visit other belar se go to club problem saibala adega claro rablu for example dega batteri dega auto dega يعيد السنغول دغا ولو إن هذا العلم من suggestion وسنجيرة تقول سبريل help يعيد سند المرادرير يعيد كلام لوسبة دغا أفيما مغران أرسل نرجع مكلول وريور دغا دي لوسبة رابك السيلسل simple كلام like سنغو سيد الميل المون مال help تير Sure. mal sulang regel mal betokol ger of course kita mal menenga sulang media ra atial mal ungil triga mal dirdil ngartiam mal betoka fokus gira lardil gira el waise. That's why we have to have a balanced media. Oh, an unbalanced media galungil en by highlight egel ngal sangaset. Digom ran sulang. Kung tial congratulate tira mashur gidra bekal silsila togo bet silsila tira happy birthday mora Marilyn Sally asen sergid ngara Pelilu Elementary School ma Alice Sabal nga orolom gida ngara MHHS ngar sel behavioral health ma Marilyn Mewang Esang nga diri ngara oral health ra uk Ministry of Health Mona Lisa ngir om lay ngara post ma Rahel Sumang ngar sel officer Ministry of State ngara officer public defender Ministry of State ngara public defender ma Oracle Benedict ngal Oracle Benedict ngar Bureau of Environmental gidra mafe happy birthday adios lo mol molong kaltanga tragmi urtial to bet sel tragmi lo makaltang sulang ara information namra labay singila ora demral mo mesra yung lang second lady mal to ka meeting ri lang mlo excuse tel mamra ndi kada bay mal congratulate happy birthday mora Eunice Oilo of course second lady happy birthday le gorgam Dios lo mol kaltanga tertir la kaltanga trablo blur bela marbek la other bela ma next el press conference sula